はい、皆さんこんにちは。This is the second video for Kekkon and imasu expressions. Today you are going to learn how to describe ongoing state. Okay. Let's remember. Kekkon and imasu express ongoing action. A dog is running. 犬が走っています。You can see this physical movement or progressing dynamic action. Today, I want you to compare these two actions. Do you see the difference between these two actions? To run, 走ります。To marry, 結婚します。Possible noun, ます ending. So these are actions. But 走ります to run. You see physical movement. But 結婚します This is not really physical movement, right? Now, 結婚します Based on the grammar rule last video, します means will marry future tense or to marry as a general statement. Like a lot of people marry in June. That's a general statement. Or like not many people in Japan do not marry nowadays. Those kind of stuff. Now, します te form しています That's that focus expression and based on the rule that's I am marrying. But let's think deeper. The form and imasu describes ongoing state. Means one day someone met someone and they decided to get married. They look for a venue and order flowers and buy ring and stuff. So they are getting ready for a wedding. That's that period of time. They say we will marry. 私たちは結婚します in like a near future. Now, once they have wedding day, they get married. Then they can say we are married or I am married. 結婚しています That's the I meant ongoing state. It's not a physical action. But once you get married, that state continues and does not change on daily basis, right? Like running or eating. So once you get married, that keeps going. State keeps going. Another example is 住みます One day you think 東京に住みたいです Do you remember? たいです飲みたいです食べたいです見たいです This sentence means 東京に住みたいです I want to live in Tokyo. Now, you look for the apartment and find a job or school to go to, and that period of time, you say, 私は東京に住みます You can say next month, 来月 or next year, 来年 私は東京に住みます。Will live in Tokyo. Once you moved and moved in to apartment, you can say 私は東京に住んでいます。Once you live in Tokyo, you're not gonna move around, right? You live there for a while. Okay, I think you're getting it. Let's compare these two groups. 走ります。食べます。泳ぎます。作ります。This group, you can see the action, physical action, right? And this group, 結婚します。住みます。持ちます。知ります。But 持ちます has two different meanings. I know you remember this picture. And can say カエルを持っています。A girl is holding a frog. Okay, now, what if I say 私は車を持っています。Do you think I can do this? Maybe not. So most of us cannot do this, right? So to hold or to own. In this case, if I say 車, I'm not holding a car. I own a car. And then once I own it, it does not change for a while, right? Now, next one is 知っています. Okay, I want you to read this sentence. クリッシーさんは、こちらはクリッシーさんですね。誰と結婚していますか？知っていますか？ You would say, はい、知っています。You know this expression. And if you say, はい、知ります。That sounds weird. Now you know why it sounds weird. If you say, はい、知ります means I will know. Once you know, you know, right? Or you can say, いいえ、知りません. Okay, let's look at the answer. You guys know. Okay. This is the last slide. アルバイトをします。アルバイトは part-time job. Okay, so your mom told you to just get a part-time job. Or you say, アルバイトをしたいです。You look for what kind of part-time job are available, and then you get the interview and hired. And you start working as a part-time job. Okay, now can you fill in those two blanks? I will do a part-time job. I will. And once you get, I am doing. Now, let's take a look. アルバイトをします。And once you start working, アルバイトをしています。 Alright, great job. You did it. You guys learned a lot, right? But this is it for today and more to come. Alright. じゃあね、よくできました。